Best Capital One travel cards for flights. First, go to the Capital One official website and go on Travel and Rewards. Now from here, they have 4 types of cards. First is the VentureOne Rewards for good credit, which has a travel rewards for good credit. The VentureOne Rewards with 20,000 bonus miles plus no annual fee. The Venture Rewards with 75,000 bonus miles, and the VentureX Rewards with a premium travel benefits plus 75,000 bonus miles. Now, if you're gonna see onto the rewards, they have a lot of rewards on each kind of card. With a new member card offer, travel benefits, annual benefits, credit card level, purchase rate, transfer info, and annual fee. Now, if you're gonna ask me, guys, VentureX Rewards is the best. First, it has an earn unlimited 10 times miles on hotels and rental cars booked through the Capital One Travel, unlike onto the other 3 cards. It also has an earn unlimited 5x miles on flights and vacation rentals booked through Capital One Travel, and earn unlimited 2 times miles on all other purchases. When it comes onto the new card member offer, you will be able to earn 75,000 bonus miles once you spend $4,000 on purchases within the first 3 months from the account opening. So it's just the same on to the second one. When it comes on to the travel benefits, Venture Rewards and VentureX Rewards stand out on this point. Now when it comes on the annual benefits, the VentureX only has to receive a $300 annual Capital One travel credit plus the 10,000 miles anniversary bonus, including the credit level, transfer info, and the annual fee, which only costs $395, and you'll be able to get a premium travel benefits. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one.